G'day bird nerds, it's first seen and heard Monday the 23rd of January in Wurundjeri country here, the northwestern suburbs of Melbourne in Australia. My first heard this morning the glorious Australian magpie. My first seen the less than glorious spotted dove, invasive species. Sounds nice, but wouldn't I don't know, I'd love a wonga pigeon. I'd love a bronzewing here. But that's that. Plug for the live show, thebirdemergency.com/live, or hey, it's here in the YouTube. Subscribe. We're going to talk about degrowth today, the concept. How does it apply to a modern society? What can we do? What is it? I don't really know. Join me. I've got a degrowth person joining me. See ya, midday.